Here's a problem related to FScapture, that is fast on screen capture. I captured a video from my desktop and it gave me that file, but when I go to the C drive I cannot find that file. So open a File Explorer window, go to C drive, and there is no such file there, although here at View, Hidden Items is checked, no such video file here. Okay, so where to find that video file? Because this one is seeing it and File Explorer is not seeing it. So I will open a search program called Everything. This is much faster than Windows's search. And type in that file name, let's see, that number 05, and voila, there's the file. And it's in the users, your username, AppData Local and VirtualStore. It's at that path. So if I right click on it, open path, then here's the video. So let's just copy this one, cut it and paste it onto another location, let's say there. Okay, so the video is not here, let's refresh it, but it's there. So if you cannot find it at one location, use, let's say, Everything and search for that file name and you might find it in that VirtualStore folder.